Good morning. I am John. I have got an appointment at 10 a.m. for MRI scanning.
Okay, Mr. John, shall I proceed with instructions?
Yes, sure you can.
Okay, sir, if you have any doubt, please clarify as I instruct you the details.
Yes, sure I will.
Okay. You have fear to be inside a closed room?
Now I do not have such fears.
Good. Now the next one is, do you have any metallic items attached to your body?
No, ma'am. I don't have any.
Okay. Do you carry any electronic equipment? If so, please keep the same inside the dressing room.
Oh, yes ma'am. I carry my mobile with me, but will please keep it in the dressing room.
Next. You have gone through any surgeries so that some metallic particles are placed inside your body? If so, we don't allow those people for the MRI scan.
No, ma'am.
Now you can just lay down comfortably. If you need any help, just talk to me. You can see that you are moving in the MRI device. Just stay calm. Now MRI scanning has been completed successfully. Now you may please leave the room.